Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. Right now I'm heading off to Cars and Coffee. Just got the car all cleaned up. Still pretty good from the last wash because I haven't really driven it much. So I'm gonna go meet up with my friends. Got a couple of nice cars. Gonna grab some video of them and then head to Larz for Cars and Coffee. So this just showed up. Oh, crap.
Morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Good. I was actually want to ask you guys a question. Can you go ahead and leave a comment below and let me know how the video and audio quality is? Like I said, I'm working with a new system here. I have the Canon M6 and I'm using the onboard mic. I have a Rode video mic on the way from Amazon, but unfortunately it's not here yet, so I'm not sure how great the audio is, but I think the video should be much better, and I should also be able to grade it a little bit easier.
One was I was in traffic and I was like I didn't want to rub, so I put two off instead of making contact. Yeah, so they have like there's like the 24 hours. Yeah, probably. You can head straight up top.
It's a bent there.
Right next to him. Morning.
Sorry, I couldn't like
Nope.
too much. Too many.
Damn, Sam. That was you actually. Hey, how are you?
Decided to stop off at a friend's shop before heading home, and holy shit, look at this lineup. This is a ZR1 that has just gigantic rear. I mean, look at this. It has the 360 Viper, the Vorsteiner Huracan, which you guys have seen before, and then my buddy's 570, who I rode in with. Alright guys, gonna head home now. There's actually a concert here. I don't know if you can see behind me with all the traffic, but there's actually a concert for Kenny Chesney. So I'm gonna try to get out of here. I actually worked on a cool project with a car, actually a fellow YouTuber, so you'll see that hopefully next week. And yeah, thanks for checking it out. Smash that like button, subscribe if you're new here, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.
It is. It has an